Hi, Tim Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use grep to find stuff in files from the command line. But first, if you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications as it really helps the channel grow. And I want to thank all the subscribers who are already subscribed and supporting the channel. All right, so let's get to it. So I'm on a Chromebook with Linux installed, and I'm going to bring up my terminal here, and let's make a directory, and let's call this grep example. And let's cd into grep example. You can call the directory whatever you want. And let's say we had a bunch of SCSS files. So we had a bunch of partials, and we wanted to find like where a particular class was in partials. Not that this exact thing came up this week and I had to use grep to do it. Anyway, so let's create some files. So I'm going to create some files with touch, and these are partials. So I'll say style1.scss. We'll do a few different ones. I don't need to type touch again. Style2.scss, style3.scss, style4.scss, and style5.scss. And so we created those files, and let's also make an index.scss. Okay, and so let's go into our index.scss, and in there we're importing style1, and actually let me just do this quick. And so we're importing all these different little partial style sheets, and then we go and there should be 5, and we compile them with the SAS compiler, and then basically the classes are in this theme, and maybe we use Webpack or something like that, and they're in the theme. But you want to find the original file where, say, some style was. All right. So what you can do, let's create some class in one of the styles. Let's go into style3.scss, and let's say we have a class, and the class is mobile menu, and we want to say the max width is, I don't know, 300 pixels, and yeah, that's it. And we want to change the max width to 320 pixels. Okay, but we know that we have, I should have called this, instead of grep example, let's call this SCSS, but whatever. Anyway, so we know that somewhere in this file, we have the mobile menu class, or somewhere in the folder, we have the mobile menu class, but we're not sure where. So we're going to do grep-r, and then just do the class mobile menu, and we'll see that it comes right up that it's in the style3 CSS folder. Okay, now this came right up because that was the only real class we had, but it will take a little bit longer if you have tons of files. But within a few minutes you can figure out, through, let's say you have hundreds and hundreds of files that you would have to look through. Within a couple minutes you're going to figure out which exact file you need to go to. And so it's quite helpful when you have a large amount of files and you need to find something in a folder. So all we do is just grep-r, and then what you're trying to find in the directory, and it comes right up. I hope this video helped you in case you come up across this problem where you're trying to find stuff, as I was earlier this week, and it was an easy way to find the class that I was looking for, and really makes the process a lot quicker. So this hopefully gives you a little bit of insight into using grep And again, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. And for all the subscribers that I already have, I thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.